Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to update Google Chrome browser on Chromebook. So let's start the video. Well, you can't update anything directly on Chromebook. If you'll open Google Chrome, you'll not get update option. On Windows or Mac, when you click on three dots here and then Help, and then About Google Chrome, then it'll automatically update Google Chrome, but in Chromebook it will not. Why? Because every app is directly linked to Chromebook operative system. If you want to update any app or something, you have to update Chromebook. How? First, open Launcher menu. Then go to Settings. Then About Chrome OS. Now here you'll see if there's any update available. Simply just click on Check for Updates, and it'll show you that if there's any updates, you have to update your Chromebook version to update everything on your Chromebook. It'll update everything. So this is the way you update Chrome browser on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.